Why am I addicted to junk food? I've been studying the addiction of food, specifically sugars and junk food, for quite some time. One of the best descriptions that I've heard lately is from Dr. Al Sears. I'm sure you know how hard it is to resist insulin-spiking foods that score high on the glycemic index, like French fries, potato chips, pasta, and bagels. But why? The answer has nothing to do with weak willpower, and it certainly has nothing to do with having a genetic mutation that makes you crave sweet foods. The real reason your brain craves junk food is far more disturbing. In a breakthrough study, researchers at Yale and the University of Cologne revealed that your brain has been trained to crave and consume processed foods by the big food manufacturers that produce them. And if you don't do something about it, you won't just gain weight, you leave yourself vulnerable to all kinds of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and cancer. The researchers found that eating these modern carb-loaded concoctions physically rewires your brain so that you subconsciously prefer them over naturally healthy foods. The study found that super-processed snacks and desserts activate the parts of your brain responsible for pleasure and reward, and also release the feel-good hormone dopamine. Now, like it or not, you've been turned into an addict by America's food companies. The researchers found that the more carb-heavy and processed sugary products you eat, the more your brain craves them, and the effects last for months after you stop eating them. You see, the brain's heightened response to these foods among study participants was even greater after 8 weeks, the full length of the study. But the researchers added that their addictive effects were likely to keep increasing long into the future. Now, that's bad because the typical American diet is loaded with carb-heavy processed foods containing unnaturally high amounts of grains, cheap and unhealthy vegetable oils, dangerous preservatives, and refined sugar. But the problem is not just the harm these foods cause, they also leave your body starving for the vitamins and minerals and enzymes and micronutrients you need to ward off disease. Now, if you like this, please smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to send this to somebody in need, and stay tuned. I'm going to show you in the near future how to break these habits. This is Dr. Lombardo.